When I think about you, I think about giving myself to you. 'Cause you know I want you, babe, and I would do anything.
Hi guys, welcome to My Life as a Mirror. Today's video is going to be a how I get straight A's and maintain my 4.0 GPA. I just compiled a list of 10 things. Only 10 simple, easy things to do to maintain your grades. And if you guys want a video on how to bring up bad grades, like let me know, because I can definitely help y'all with that. But I have a list of 10 things, just 10 simple, easy things that you can do, implement into your life to get good grades. So the first thing, hand in everything, okay? Even though you feel like, oh my gosh, it's a week late, it's like, I don't think I know it all the way. You should just hand it in, because taking a 0 opposed to a 75 or a 70 or 60 on it, a 0 is way worse than that. So just hand it in. Put your best foot forward regarding your work. Like, don't just scribble anything down and do anything, because it shows in your work and your grades are just going to just go down, like all the way down. The next thing is asking for help. Sometimes your friends can help too. So, you might be a little too prideful to extra friends, but asking for help, asking your teacher, like, listen, I know you said it 3 times, but I don't get it. So is there any other way that you can explain it to me? If you can have somebody else explain it to me, I don't get it. You got to tell her, like, tell him, her, tell them, they, don't matter. You don't get it. Extra friends, like, I know, I see you doing good in it. Can you try to explain it to me a way that your friend might, like, your friend can give it to you? Like, listen, this joint, make this joint. And you like, oh, I get it now. Khan Academy, YouTube. They have some good lessons. Like, listen, Khan Academy and YouTube. Looking up whatever you on, even if you just specifying the chapter, like the topic or something, it can help you, right? Studying, even if it's just a few minutes a day. This is kind of hard for me to do, but I really do recommend this. Studying, even if it's 10, 15, 20 minutes a day. Studying every day really helps, because then you're not cramming everything on one day, like I'm about to go do and after I'm done filming these videos. The next thing is, don't wait till last minute. Okay, when you wait till last minute and you try to do work, it really does show, unless you're just like amazing. But if you're waiting till last minute to do your work, you can tell, like, you waited till the last day to do that assignment, and we can tell it's horrible, it's ugly, it doesn't make any sense, you didn't proofread it, it's just no. Okay, so don't wait till the last minute to try and throw things together, because it really does show. And you might be like, oh, it's great. Chances are it's probably not. Okay, look, next thing, do all the extra credit. There is never enough points. If the teacher is making extra credit available, do it. If it's 3 assignments, do it. If she say, listen, it's due in 2 weeks, you better go home and start on it. It's never enough points. Extra credit is for everybody. Unless you have 100 already, I mean, like, it's probably not gonna work, but do anything for you. But listen, if you got that 96 and you like extra credit, yeah, just do the extra credit. Okay, I'm telling you now, extra credit really does help. And don't matter if it's 2 points, 1 point. Those 2 points and 1 point, and especially in the honors class or AP class, really make your GPA go like a rocket. Okay, I'm telling you, stay organized. Look, you unorganized. If you're unorganized and you lose everything, like, you should get a folder or a binder or something, because you keep losing your work. It's just going to hurt you, because when it's time to hand it in, you don't have it and you got to look for it. And the teacher's like, I ain't taking that because I collected it yesterday. And then you got 2 points off, or maybe you just got a whole 0 or something that you already did. Like, you probably already did do it and you don't have it right now because you lost it. And now you got a 0. I mean, like, just hand in your work, look, not that deep. Staying organized, help you find things easier. Ask to redo assignments if they are bad grades. Okay, if you literally have everything turned in and you feel like your grade's still not moving, but you have a couple assignments that are like 70s and 60s and 50s, because we all do get some bad grades. Like, you're not perfect. Ask a teacher, like, listen, my grade has been sitting like this for so long. I handed in everything Is there any way that I can make up even just one of these assignments or all three? And they're like, yeah, you know, you got to come after school, and I better see you after school at the desk with your pen and paper ready to make them assignments. Because listen, the next thing is tutoring. Listen, I know y'all can be prideful. I'm prideful, and sometimes I don't want to ask for help because I was just like, I got it, okay, I got it. Like, but and then we at home and we like stressing, we about to cry. Just ask for help, okay? It's okay. Just ask for help. Don't be prideful, because your pride could be your downfall. The only thing standing between you and success is your pride, okay? And your comfort zone. Come out your comfort zone, ask for help, okay? And another thing, don't get too cocky, because it's always somebody that's smarter than you. This 4.0 GPA does not mean anything to somebody with a 4.6. It's always someone that's better than you. But that's it for today's video, and I hope that you guys enjoy it. And please be sure to give today's video a like, a thumbs up. I keep saying a like and a thumbs up. Please be sure to give today's video a thumbs up. Please be sure to comment, subscribe, and share today's video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.